We look so faltu. We did it so it became faltu automatically. She said. Guys, meet my sister. Okay, sisters.
I wonder how, I wonder why. Yesterday you told me about the blue, blue sky.
So guys, I'm like really dumb and I didn't really like film like a intro for this video. So this is going to be the intro. My voiceover is going to be the intro, which is kind of weird, but okay. So me and my best friend Chipra, we decided we wanted to do Valentine's Day, or if you call it Galentine's Day, and this is basically the sleepover part of that video. The other part is going to be uploaded tomorrow, but they are equally good and they are equally fun, and you have to watch both of them. So enjoy this one, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it and grab a snack, vibe with us.
Okay. It's really quiet in here and it's just like not. So I have to go. Okay, I have to like do some, like we are buying stuff right now. I'm gonna show you what I'm buying.
You have to get something from there too. This is for the sleepover. Yeah.
Put. Okay, sisters.
No, I don't sound like James Charles.
Okay, yeah, y'all, we got this stuff. It costed us a fortune. Okay, we did some expensive and
Look down.
even maybe like some useless shopping. Bro, we don't have to go that side. We have to go this side. Maybe like some expensive shopping and some useless stuff as well. But like, I do this useless stuff shopping once in a while.
Guys, I kid you not, I am lying over here. If you ask my mom and dad, they'll tell you how much of an expensive shopper I am. Like, go ask them, and then you come back to this video, okay? Like, do not listen to me. I'm literally straight up just like trying to defend me and Shipra's expensive shopping.
And it's Valentine's Day and I have to do it. So
We need to cross over there.
yeah, I know. So I'll see you guys. We're going to the stationery store right now to get some nails and stuff. So we'll see you there. Guys, we're back from like expensive shopping. And now we're going to like go and quickly do our t-shirts so that we can dry them with like a dryer or something, because we late people didn't do anything. Like we were at our class and I completely forgot about the t-shirts. So let's do that. Let's go do the t-shirts. YOLO. Let's go.
No.
I'm a bitch. I'm a boss.
You are. Wait, okay. So guys, we are doing our tie-dye shirts right now. Like we are planning to, but like are we? Okay, we are doing the tie-dye now. Yeah, back. Forget the background noise. Okay. hello guys. Why did I say hello guys like that? Why you can't even see anything? Yeah, it's 11. Like yeah, that's what it is. 11:56.
It's 36.
Sorry.
It's like it gets like that.
It's 11:36 right now. We did absolutely nothing productive. Like, what are you doing?
I can see what it is.
So by productive, by nothing productive, I mean we did a tie-dye. I think that's the last clip you saw. And then our impatient asses, we had to wear it tonight. Like
I actually, not like we, like I specifically.
I went on this like whole like spree of just like drying that thing in every possible way. The thing is, I don't have like a washer dryer, so I had to physically go and use like hair dryers and irons and everything. And you can see even my hands are like blue because of that. So now both the things are dry. We are ready to go and like shower, and we are going to see you guys when we are ready, like you know, for our whole plan. We're gonna show you guys what we bought also, like quickly go through it, go through our plan and get this party started. Let's go. Dobby. Okay guys, we both are nice and clean and we're in our PJs. We literally have matching shorts. We look so cute. Okay, you know what we're going to do? We're going to like take like a few pictures with these because they are damn cute. Like literally, they're literally matching. And I'm literally like drowning in this shirt, but that's not the point. So we're gonna go take some like cute pictures with these because these are like really cute, like tie-dye t-shirts, t-shirt dresses actually. And we're gonna go take pictures. Yeah, also like before we go take pictures, we'll show you guys what we've got from the store, like from our whole haul. Okay, hi guys, we went live. I'm gonna put a picture over here, like a clip baby beach ka. It was a very faltu live because it was faltu. We did it so it became faltu automatically. It was very saru. There was only one person who was there for like the whole time. That was
With
Siana.
me, to you.
Like literally, I'm literally telling you, Siana, I'm sending this video to you to tell you I'm giving you a whole your big shout out over here. This girl, she was there the whole live. Okay, she didn't make us feel that we were not, you know, supported. Full on support. Like, love you girl, you go.
We started
This is
the
construction paper, which is red color. I don't know if it's a construction.
yeah, but they are not colorblind. This is the card paper, like we are making cards with this. We got some balloons for the decor. Obviously we need chocolate because like chocolate girl moment.
Gummy.
Guys, these costed us a fortune because we live in India and this stuff comes from like outside. So this costed us a big fortune, but we got it anyway. I love gummies, so
Then this
that.
cheese popcorn.
We got this like 3-in-1 thing. It's cheese one. It's microwave, so we'll make it now. We
This
got
is
these like sprinkles
sprinkles.
for tomorrow's pancakes.
We got some.
We got some like chips. Like these are just like normal desi chips. I got this like super cool like bomb thing, Zar bomb. I loved this. It used to be in DMart, but now it's not, so I just got it from there. Super
Then-
cool, super star. I love it.
We got some noodles for me.
Yeah, we got some kimchi. Is this kimchi?
Not kimchi.
Coca. We got some coca.
Coca.
Yeah, it's coca.
We got
And blue, red color because Valentine's Day, and we got two
Food
sets.
coloring.
Yeah.
No,
And-
that's not kind
No, guys, the other set of nails.
What?
Yeah. And we got
Yeah.
2 sets of nails because we're gonna do our nails now. We'll film that essay. Maybe like, oh yeah, we have to watch the movie. What is the?
Two other boys are
Yeah, the part 3. So we'll do that while we are watching this. The nails
Wow,
will do that.
I'm the oldest comment and this is.
Same. Guys, make sure you. Yeah, we got. Why are you literally falling? Oh no, I hope I don't. It's fine. Where was I? I forgot where I was.
Huh?
What was I saying to them?
Two
Yeah.
other boys are vlogging.
नहीं उसके बाद.
I don't.
Yeah, so we spent a lot of like kharcha paisa for this because obviously.
And also we doing face mask right now.
Hey, no, before doing face mask, we click some picture, like one,
Yeah, with
one or
Polaroid.
1 or 2. I don't know. We'll see like Polaroid with
We
these
got
like.
these.
Yeah, this like she got this film. She has a Polaroid camera. I don't, so we're gonna do this film thing. We're gonna click because we are having this amazing matching stuff. I need it for my Cherish also. Like Cherish Jordan is my small business. Go follow it if you haven't. You can get these over there. Actually, get it matching with your friends, cousins, sisters, brothers, anyone, literally anyone. Yeah, basically we're gonna click Polaroids. I'm gonna turn this camera on only so that you all can see अच्छे से कि oh you're clicking Polaroids and stuff. And with this lighting is only going to be for like sometimes when we have to show you something. We're gonna turn this light off. Too much bright. I don't like it. We have the blue lights. It's nice. You all can see properly. So we'll do that. And
Everything we have.
yeah, can you just put that in the bag? It's too
No.
cluttery.
But I want that right now because this is what we want.
Abey, we'll be back, okay? We'll be back for like clicking Polaroids and stuff. See you.
Then not everything. That's what we wanted.
Okay, y'all. So there's this like disappointment thing that happened. We both wanted to obviously click Polaroid picture. Buddy, your screen ka light yaar. We both obviously wanted to click Polaroid pictures, but then like the battery died and she panicked completely. But then we tried to change the battery, but those weren't the batteries that we needed. And then she panicked again, and she almost cried, but she didn't. And then we realized we can't.
And then we realized we can't take a Polaroid. So what we're doing right now is we're gonna put the face mask, and I'm opening the gummy bears wala packet, and we'll watch a Slay Point video because I love him. Him nahi.
Oh yeah.
I love them. Let's do some ASMR.
So the we have aloe vera. Okay, that is going to be like no, that actually spell, you know. We have to
Don't
go to
worry.
the sink.
No, it won't spill.
I'm telling you, bro.
It's wet, but it's cheap. Why did I say that?
Stop sexualizing the face.
Okay, so we're back from the whole like washing our hands session. Abhi get down yaar.
We are watching the.
We are not watching a movie, we are watching Slay Point. Very good.
My hair is literally in face mask right now, and you're doing.
Okay, we're gonna go watch Slay Point with these gummy bears. Be right back. Bro, say bye to them.
Bye.
You're like bye.
Bye.
Bitch, I'm a ghost. We literally look like real life ghosts.
Yeah. That's already pretty sure I'm tired. Let's go.
I'm gonna wash our faces. Okay. Complete the video with the gummy bears, and then we'll make the popcorn and we'll see you guys then. We're back from washing our faces. We still we had not washed our face. Abey, we'll get copyrighted. Band kar usko. Let's click pictures, chal. We're going to get pictures because
My little Polaroid camera died on us.
no, not Polaroid camera, like a normal picture because this lighting is cool. We're in cute outfits. So yeah, we're gonna click pictures. Be right back. Okay, so I finished with all of my photo clicking things. Now we're gonna go make popcorn, watch To All the Boys. Oh god, To All the Boys ka part 3. And yeah, basically that. Let's go make some delicious popcorn, honey, shall we? Feel like that?
Choking on that thing.
This looks dope. Okay, so we're watching To All the Boys I've Loved Before, PS, Always and Forever, the third part, like we told y'all. And we're having this delicious popcorn. Can you pause it? Yeah, basically. So we're gonna watch the whole movie. I'm gonna let this battery charge aram se. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Senior year of high school takes center stage as Lara Jean.
Bas, bas, bas. But they don't want spoilers. Bye bye. Okay. Hi. Where are you? Yeah. She's here and it's what time is it? Okay, yeah. So it's 11, no wait, 12:48 and we're awake and up and we're going to go like brush and stuff and then make breakfast, pancakes. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this part of the video here and then y'all will see the other part where we have the whole Valentine's Day in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this thank you so much for watching this sleepover of ours and I hope you guys liked it. Follow me on Instagram. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.